we're in Cassis now, and we're going for lunch. And guess what we're gonna eat? No one's gonna ever guess. Pizza. Here's where we decided to go to lunch, and there's where I got stuck in the bathroom. This little hobbit door. I was stuck in there. I used my fingernails to get out. A mini Heineken. All right, we got our pizza here in France. Cassis, Cassis, go baby. Ooh, look at that. Hold it up and eat it. Okay, so the difference with this one, lots of seasoning, and that oil makes it delicious. Are we loving it? Yes, we're loving it. That's where we had pizza. Look at our view. So dope.